We have a 2008 Infiniti EX35 here. We're going to be replacing and upgrading the mirror to one that has the compass option. This is the only tool that we need to use. It's a Harbor Freight screwdriver kit with the T20 Torx bit adapter. We're going to get behind the mirror, and underneath there's going to be a T20 screw that's holding it in. Once you have the screw off, you can grab the mirror, just kind of pull up and towards you. It'll kind of walk out from the base of the mirror. Once the mirror is off, just pull up on this tab and pull the plug off. Plug in the new mirror and then attach the new mirror onto the base. You want to push it all the way in so it snaps in. We're going to compress the harness cover, and the side that has the clips will go into the back of the mounting base. Once it snaps in, you can pull the back side up into the upper console. After that, we're going to screw the screw back into the base. You don't want to over tighten this, you just want it snug. Once everything's installed and plugged in, just go ahead and turn the car on and it will display the direction. If it doesn't display the correct direction the first time, just drive around a couple blocks and it'll reset. And this is how you upgrade and replace a mirror. Thank you for watching.